Good morning, it's Trisha here. So today I'm talking about all the fun things you get to do when you retire early and how you can minimize the expense, the out-of-pocket expense by using credit cards for your travels. So we decided to take a trip up the coast, and one of the first things that we did was rent a minivan because we wanted our trip to be comfortable, our drive to be comfortable, and my husband can throw his surfboards in the back of the minivan and we didn't have to strap them down to the car. So how did I pay for this minivan? Well, I have a Capital One Venture X card, and with that I'm able to get a $300 credit every year. And so I booked the car through Capital One, and they credited me back $262, I think, around there, for the 3.5 day rental. Picked it up on Friday morning and dropping it off on Monday morning. So didn't have to pay for the car, so that's a great start. So mind you, this all has to do with being able to pay off your credit card balances monthly and not carry a balance. One of the perks that I've really enjoyed with the Capital One Venture X is not only are you able to get the $300 voucher every year, your anniversary year, you also get 10,000 points on your anniversary. So that 10,000 points can be used to book other travel as well. And then another amazing perk of the Capital One card is it gives you access to you and any authorized users on your account, access to the access to Priority Pass. And that is extremely beneficial, as well as the Capital One lounges. So they only have a few open right now, but in the future they plan on opening more. The second charge that was covered free, or because we have a credit card, by using our credit card points to secure our hotel. Actually, we didn't even use points this time because my husband had 5 free nights that he was able to use at the Marriott. And because I'm platinum, that also includes upgrades and free breakfast. So did not have to pay for our hotel room as well. So that was free. And the only other expense is probably going to be gas and food, which we would probably spend on our trip anyway. So those are two nice little benefits of having 2 credit cards: the Capital One Venture X and then the Marriott Bonvoy, I believe. And most recently, we have decided to upgrade from the Marriott card to the Ritz-Carlton card. And with that comes a host of benefits like $300 incidental travel credit. So I guess we can use that on upgrading our airfare to, a different cabin, or incidentals on the airplane if you want to drink or eat, or I think anything associated with that type of auxiliary kind of charges. As well as you get a free $85,000 complimentary booking. So you pick whatever resort you want to use that at, but that's an $85,000 points voucher that you can use to book your next stay at Marriott. So really looking forward to using that one, because right now I think the maximum is 35, and then you can add 15,000 of your own points to it. So it's quite an upgrade. So we're looking forward to spending a really kind of exclusive, expensive hotel night somewhere. Not sure when. But the trick with that is that you have to have a specific Marriott card or cards for at least 1 year, and then you can ask to be upgraded to the Ritz-Carlton. So you can't actually apply to the Ritz-Carlton. You have to hold one of the other cards for at least 1 year, and then after that year you can ask to be upgraded. So we just did that, and I'm looking forward to being able to utilize that one and to its fullest extent. So another credit card that I think everybody should have in their wallet if they are renters is the Bilt MasterCard. And most people by now know about it, but in case you don't, it allows you to pay your rent via the card, but it comes through as if it's like your bank card, your debit card. And so you don't have to pay like a transaction fee when you pay your rent. So that's allowed me to accumulate quite a few points because I have to pay for my daughter's rent for college. And so I pay it via the Bilt MasterCard and I get the points. So probably a few months ago, I was able to transfer approximately 40,000 points from Bilt, because every month they have some kind of a special. And so I did 40,000 points, and it ended up being 70,000 Alaska points. So that's what I'll probably use to book my trip to Greece in 2025. So another perk of a credit card that I think is an amazing card to have in your wallet. So just to recap, on this trip, we were able to get our rental car for 4 days, 3.5 days, paid for by our Venture X card, and our hotel stay, 2 nights at the Marriott, from our Marriott Bonvoy card, and then the free breakfast at Marriott for free because of the platinum status. So these are just a few ways that you can utilize credit cards points in order to accommodate your travel and not have to spend too much out of pocket. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.